guest here, and I hope that you will sit down whatever you're doing and listen to this, because I really think it could change lives. So we're talking about learning the key to unlocking your body's potential. Antoinette Bizimana is joining us to teach us about the basics of metabolism. So first of all, thank you for coming in.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy to have you here, because I was just watching a doctor discussing this, how Western medicine really, they try to treat patients, but they don't really understand why they're sick oftentimes. And as she was doing her deep delve into things, she realized metabolism. Everything is about your metabolism. And that's what you do on a daily basis to help people live healthier, longer lives.
100%. Yes. So the metabolism is very key, because really what is metabolism, on simple words, is how your body uses the food we eat and then turn them into energy. So understanding what type of your metabolism is very, very key in order to unlock it and making sure that it's working on efficient level. So what we do at Hydration Spark is that we make sure that we determine your type of metabolism and then tier a personalized program that is going to boost your metabolism and do a total body reset.
And so again, Hydration Spark, she has her location in downtown Cleveland. And when you're figuring out, so how do you, because everyone's metabolism is different.
Correct.
What's that process you kind of take them through to figure out their metabolism?
So what we do first is that we do a 3D scan, and we offer a 3D scan free at Hydration Spark. So if you're interested in doing one, you can definitely get one. We also have questions that we ask to understand your past history. And then after we're done with those questions, we're able to tear back into that essence of understanding what the results we're getting. And then the food you're going to be able to eat, the protein, the carbohydrate, they're different given a different metabolism.
Okay, so one person could have a certain type of elements in their diet that they should have, and then someone have something totally different.
Correct, 100%. So that is why, like, the program we offer at Hydration Spark is tiered to basically understanding and boosting this metabolism, whereby we are burning more fat, and in that essence everything in the body also start working at the optimal levels. On average, actually, you can easily lose like extra 20 pounds in 2 months by following that, but you feel healthier, your energy is better, your productivity is much better, you don't feel fatigued. You know how people feel fatigue and brain fog on a regular basis?
Yep.
So it's just that reset of metabolism that we need to bring back to life.
And it's not just about for some maybe losing weight. It's, you might look like you're in shape, but you aren't taking care of yourself the right way.
That is 100% correct, because also your metabolism is going to determine what type of the exercise you need to be doing and how well you're also hydrated, because hydration is very key. A lot of people walk around being dehydrated.
It's me.
And that is where we boost and encourage hydration. If drinking water is very difficult for you, don't worry. At Hydration Spark, we also have, IV infusion that we offer to replenish the body and making sure that you're getting very well hydrated in that essence and all the cells, because if you're just minimally dehydrated in your body, then your metabolism is going to be slowed down too. So understanding that hydration and its importance in terms of metabolism.
See, and it's a guide. It's not like she's offering some magic potion that you would take. It is literally about what we eat.
Yes.
Our hydration levels, supplements.
So let's talk about supplements. Supplements that we use for boosting the metabolism. First, we want to take toxins out of your system. So we use a supplement called Vitality. So this one helps take with heavy metals out of your system, and also taking out all the toxins that are around your cells, so that now the nutrients that you eat from the food, because we focus only on the food, now they can penetrate through the cells, and there you produce more energy, and as a consequence, everything else in terms of productivity becomes much better. And then vitamin B12, that's another one that helps with encouraging the energy into the system, and thereby you're having more energy and productivity.
And there's other ones. She's a wealth of knowledge, and like I said, what I've always loved about when I first met her was, it's not about trying to sell you on something. It's literally the things that we know that are good for us, like the food we eat, the supplements, like the certain vitamins that we need. Correct. Hydration. So you can go to Hydration Spark. They'll go through the whole process till you figure it out. I mean, I saw firsthand the changes and transformation in some of the people who have come to you, and it is mind-blowing. And to know that you just need that little bit of guidance with the things that are already right in front of you is just, it's wild.
Yeah, it's very, very important. And also understanding that really in life, you have to invest in your health, in your wellness, because there's this sentence I like mentioning and sharing, is that if you do not have time for your wellness, you'll be forced to invest time for the illness. So understanding that and just taking a little bit, for instance, if you want to walk for 15 minutes on daily basis, that is also going to boost your metabolism. That's why the exercising is important, and knowing what type of exercise is best for you, so that it can boost better your metabolism as well.
Thank you so much for coming in today. Thank you for sharing that. If you want to learn more, you can always go to hydrationspark.com and find her in downtown Cleveland. Thank you so much, Antoinette, for being here today.